Interest in unions are spiking, but not membership. Why? Because membership drives are still done the old way. There is a better way, a faster way, an easier way, a greater. We'll get the picture. And you need to find out that better way so memberships can match interests. Let's begin with the victory, how it was won, and what you can learn from it. Did you know that 5,000 healthcare professionals across Oregon won the battle for better wages and fairer schedules? How? They unionized, of course. It's not because companies were picking people over profits. Over 5,000 nurses, physicians, frontline caregivers at Providence Health and Services took an extraordinary stand. They walked out of 8 hospitals and 6 clinics. It became the largest strike Oregon ever faced. Crowds gathered from sunrise to sunset. Signs lifted, voice echoed. And for the first time in state's history, doctors joined nurses on the picket line. Their message was simple: fair pay, safer staffing, and better care. For 46 days, these healthcare heroes stood united across the state. 8 bargaining units, thousands of members, one voice. And behind that unity was technology. Technology kept the strike organized, transparent, and united. Members could share real-time updates, vote instantly, and stay informed, no matter where they were. Everyone's voice counted, whether on the line or supporting from home. Technology became the glue that held the strike together, and the results spoke for themselves. Faster decisions during critical moments, greater transparency across every unit, and 30% higher participations in calls and vote compared to the last contract cycle. Public support surged. National leaders joined rallies. Liz Schuler, Randy Weingarten, Senator Jeff Merkley, and across Oregon, people stood with the nurses. 92% said they supported the strike. Even Governor Tina Kotek stepped in, mediating talks that finally broke the deadlock. After 46 days, the nurses triumphed. The new contracts made history in Oregon. Major wage increases, 20% to 42% over the contract lifespan, with immediate raises up to 22%. Retroactive pay and bonuses totaling thousands per worker. Enforceable staffing guarantees, improving nurse-to-patient safety ratios. Automatic pay for missed breaks and meals. Unified contract timelines to strengthen ONA's collective power. So what made this movement so effective? It wasn't just courage, it was connection. With tools like Call Hub, unions can now organize faster and smarter. Unions can supercharge their membership with integrated outreach tools. Tools like calling banks, text messages, broadcasts, surveys, real-time updates, and even two-way peer-to-peer conversations. Through these tools, union members can easily reach thousands of workers, deliver personalized invitations, and send automated follow-up messages that keeps interest high. Further, these tools allow for data-driven segmenting, which means organizers connect with the right groups, addressing workplace concerns, highlighting union wins, and nudging people to become active members. Such tools ensure every member is kept in the loop about important votes, contract updates, and rallies. With tools like this, any union becomes a formidable force, ready to recruit and expand like never before. Now, interest among Americans to sign up has been increasing since 2023. Are you prepared to recruit? Yes? Then the next step should be obvious. Start a membership drive with Call Hub today. Workers unite.